Hi guys, my name is Anthony and this is script for you. Look at this. Bitcoin is dumping. We actually could not hold support and we actually broke it. We broke the $46,800 level. Not only that, but we also broke the trend line or safety. So now, where do I think we will go? I think we could go all the way down to here. I'm going to be explaining you guys why I think that we could go all the way down to here. And if we break this support box, where are we going to go? Somewhere bearish. I'm going to be explaining you guys all that and more in this video, so let's get into it. So look at this. Bitcoin actually did go above it, but it could not hold support, and that was a main key for my bullish pattern. And since we broke below this level, and we also broke my safety and also another big line that we kept getting rejected, and I was so happy that we broke it. Since we broke back below it, we have to break those levels again in order to become bullish. Now, we're right now dumping, and my target is down here. One, because that's the next big level of support, but two, because we have this M pattern right here, and this M pattern could take us to this bottom, somewhere inside of this box. That is my target where we're gonna fall. Now, after we're gonna fall to here, this is when it's most importantly, because right now we're falling and the RSI is kind of in the middle on the daily time frame, but the stochastic RSI is really low. But of course, the RSI is more important than the stochastic RSI, and in order for us to start going up, the stochastic RSI actually has to flip to blue and go above this place again. And of course, sometimes it fakes it. Like, let's get a good example. Like right here, you can see that we faked going up, and right here we actually went much higher than this blue, this line. But then we actually started falling down. And actually, how much percent did we fall down? We fell down like about 11%. So that's a pretty good size dump. So of course, you can see that the stochastic RSI can sometimes be a fail, like all indicators, like the RSI, but together they actually are really strong. So I think together, that's when I think we're going to start going up, when the RSI goes down below 45 and the stochastic RSI actually starts flipping to blue. For now, we will keep dumping. Not only that, but look at this. The Bollinger Bands, we are topping the middle line, or as we can call it, the 20-day moving average, and also we actually broke it, the 200-day moving average, and that is bad, guys. So because we did the 200 in the 50-day moving average death cross right here, and I really wanted us to do a golden cross, but in order for us to do a golden cross, that 50 has to be higher than the 200. So I really want us that to happen, so we could actually start going up, because that's a bullish sign. And when it's like this, it's kind of a bearish sign, really bearish sign. So I really want us to flip. And since we're below it, the 200-day moving average starts going down. But of course, it takes a while because it's 200 past days for the average, and the 50 takes a little bit shorter time. So if we start dumping for 50 candles already, it will start going down again. So this pattern, as long as we're below maybe the 200 and it starts going down, we might not even get our golden cross in our bullish pattern. And the RSI and stochastic RSI are not really getting bullish patterns showing, and they're actually falling. So this is right now bearish. And when we reach our target, we have to turn around. So we have to start going up, and it can be anywhere inside of this box. But if we break this box and we keep going, or let's just say we actually go down and we actually start pumping, and we actually stop somewhere here and start dumping again, maybe even go all the way up here and then come back down. Maybe it could be something like this, but we have to break this level after we start pumping again, because if we don't, we could make either a gigantic M that could take us all the way back down to the bottom of this $30,000 level, and we're gonna have to start bouncing back inside of this level again, or we can go down here and maybe do something like that, or maybe we could do something even bigger like that, but we get a head and shoulders, and that is an even more bearish pattern. So it depends where we tap it. Here we can change it, but if we get the trend line, and of course it will change, But you can see that we're still gonna fall down to there, and that is really bearish, guys. Remember, we were like going inside of here for the last 6 months. We couldn't break it. We finally broke it. So, guys, if we start breaking this, or if we bounce, get rejected, and start falling again, and then we break it, that is going to be really bad, and I think we're going to fall all the way back down to 30,000. So this, by the way, this box is 39,000 to 42,000. So, guys, what we have to do is either we tap support here or somewhere inside of this box, then start going up, and then just break this level again. Or another option, we get started inside of here, and then we bounce around, or maybe we confirm support and bounce around inside of here. But as long as we're not going to break this box, we are safe. That is my word right now, that we actually break this box. Because if we break this box, we're going back down to here, and Bitcoin might fall asleep again and start bouncing around inside of this level once again. And nobody wants that. But guys, that's not the only bearish news, because look at this. If we zoom out, and let's just go to the year 2020. 2020 August. And August and starting to go into September. August starting to go into September. So about today, somewhere here, that's when we actually peaked. August 17th, August 18th is when we actually peaked and we started falling down. So August is sort of a neutral month, was in 2021. But we then, at the end of August, started falling till September, like September 10, the first week of September. Now, let's go to the year 2019, and let's go to August and September, because look at what happened here. August, we started going up. We peaked at September 4th, and we fall down. So at the start of September, a little bit varies. And not only that, if we go to 2018, and we go to August and September, you can see that in about 16, 17 was about where we peaked and started falling down. And then at September, at the start of September, we fell down till about the first, second week. So guys, what am I saying? At about August, we peak, local peak, and then we fall down in September. I mean, that's history, and Bitcoin does not have to repeat, but it does rhyme. It never repeats it, but it does rhyme. So we could start falling right now, and we could be falling till the September next 2 weeks, the next month. We could be falling till like September 14th. And if this is just, this could be just me, and I'm just like looking at it and interpreting it all wrong. But that would be good if I'm interpreting it wrong, because I don't really want Bitcoin to fall down. But if this is true and Bitcoin is going to repeat what it did for the last 4 years, then we could be falling down, guys, to about $30,000 again. Maybe, guys, we could catch at 39,000. If we do, guys, we're going to start bouncing around. Hopefully we could break above this level. And all we got to watch right now is for us not to do the gigantic head and shoulders. That will take us down to here. And not to do the gigantic M, because that will also take us down to here. And if we do fall down to here, we're going to have to be looking out for the gigantic $20,000 level reversal. So, like, I mean, this could be like an ABC correction wave. But of course, that's also just me just thinking. So, all we got to watch, guys, is for us not to break this level, because I believe we could start falling again. Unless, of course, we confirm support on the 20-day moving average. But that is not likely. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell so you never miss another video. See you guys in the next video. Bye!